back in the day. And I still love to watch those old flicks, even when I watch the current ones. I always go back and try to watch as far back as I can.
Okay, cool. And you're going to learn how to act this morning. It's a family affair, you know, on Weekend Smile. Terry Carell is here. We got Celine Tyson later on. Surfing coming up with Billy. Lots of stuff.
To be or not to be.
That is the question.
Yeah, that's the most famous line. But in many ways, a film's soundtrack is every bit as important as the actors, the dialogue, and everything else that goes into making a movie. This morning, Vibes has decided to test our movie soundtrack IQ. He'll play it, and we'll name it.
Vibes. I hope Vibes knows that I have an agreement with him, you know. I have an agreement with you, you know. Right? I have an agreement with you, and you can't forego on the agreement, right? I have to win. All right? Okay, good. Let's go.
All right. But you'll win hands down, though, because the movie soundtrack, let me hear one.
Yeah, wait to hear the movie soundtrack. That's a movie soundtrack?
That sounds like a song.
That's a movie soundtrack?
No, this is not a movie soundtrack.
I know what soundtrack this is.
No, this is not the movie soundtrack.
Oh, that's not the movie soundtrack.
No.
Yet.
I know. That's a soundtrack for Weekend Smile.
I was beginning to worry. I haven't seen that movie yet.
You haven't seen that movie yet? Weekend Smile?
No,
I haven't seen this movie yet.
The two of them man still.
I mean, I see the movie there yet.
When I said that movie there yet, you know. My people, you thought it was live. It's not. That's a throwback to Weekend Smile. The original crew, right? Kiki and Adrian. Wow, what a throwback moment. I wonder what year that was.
Yeah,
You weren't even born.
I probably wasn't. She laughing.
In born in 1990, that baby this
Oh my God.
baby. In no born. That's the original crew.
Oh my God.
You don't even come close to Adrian.
True, Adrian, all of them in some ways.
It's so good to see.
Yeah, we really don't have to wonder though, because guess what? Kiki and Adrian are right here with us in studio this morning. So we have I want to welcome them.
Reunion!
Hey!
Back from
Oh my
Mars.
goodness! Let me walk around.
And Mars, it has been for a while, yeah?
Yes. What year was that, Adrian?
I think that was 2000 and...
I can't even remember.
Yeah, but that was maybe our
one of our earlier
shows.
Yeah.
Wow.
So about 2008.
Yes.
No way. No, it's not that long, Adrian. No,
Okay,
you really have
2012.
Alzheimer's.
You see these
2012.
two? Them don't know
2013?
soundtrack. Them don't know the year and no
No, all I know, it's a long time ago.
Yeah.
So good to see you both.
Yeah.
Good to see you.
And she hasn't aged a day
Have
since.
you?
Oh, she actually looks
Look at
better.
this. Look at them. Look at this.
I know. So is this the first time you've seen each other?
Yeah,
in
in
a
a
long time?
while. So it was excitement in the dressing room this morning.
Yeah.
Complete pandemonium. When I heard, that he was actually going to be here, I was like, oh my goodness, I'm going to get to see him because I think beyond camera we actually do have a friendship, so I'm a brethren. So
You have a
good
great
to
chemistry
see
together.
you.
And we're gonna come to you doing great things. Mommy, book, all kind of But this
Yeah,
man,
I've been stalking you.
She-
I've been
she's
stalking you on
talking to
Instagram.
you. So what are you up to?
Me. So
Germany.
I left here in 2016 to go to Germany. To
wee
study.
wee, shlibidi.
To leave me.
Wee wee. Oh, no, not wee.
Let's speak English, please. English,
Yeah.
please.
Yeah. So I left to study there. I'm still there somehow, but I'm between there and the States because I'm now writing my thesis, and
Yes.
I'm doing it with a company, and
And
so
you have an accident, you know that. You're totally accident.
Accent.
I don't think
No, I'm
so.
messing with you, Adrian. I'm messing with
no,
you.
how can one get
How can one? That's
how can I get an accent like that? Yeah, but yeah, so I went to the States,
Yeah.
so I'm there writing my thesis with this company
That's in Chicago.
in Chicago.
That's so cool.
Yeah,
How does it feel to be on the set?
it feels
Strange?
weird.
Do you miss TV?
I do. I watch you guys all the time. Yeah, whether in the week or on the weekend. I go to One Spot Media and I
Yes.
try to keep up with what's going on. Or I like the Instagram pictures and say, hey, what are they talking about today? Do they even miss me?
Oh, we
do they miss me?
Adrian, when I'm in the street, sometimes people see me and say, Adrian, coming back.
Do
They
they
do
miss
miss
me?
you.
Yeah.
He's here
But
now.
you've been doing a good job, and I enjoy watching you and Sakina. Going on with the craziness every Saturday morning.
They're mad.
Yeah, but it's just great to be a part of a great team.
Welcome home.
Yeah.
And
Mama
Kiki.
Kiki.
Yeah, oh God, I'm mama now.
Yes, yes. How many people you have? 12, right?
Yes, actually on the 13th. Actually, I'm on the 13th as we speak. I am.
And you look great.
Thank you.
I
thank you.
want. Let's find out what's happening with you.
Oh my God, lots. So as you said, release the book. Adrian knows that it was working in progress. So I think now that it's birth, it's been an exciting journey so far. I've also moved into the space of being a coach, teacher somewhat in terms of self-love, teaching women in particular about self-love, because it is the first prerequisite for great things. And I'm happy to, just see. Like, I've fallen in love with women. However you want to take that, I really have, because we're so strong, we go through so much, we endure so much. And so through my self-love workshop, the two pilot sessions have happened. And the feedback so far, the insight is that 100% of persons who attended have said, listen, my life has been transformed.
Good.
So that for me is everything. That's purpose, all-round purpose. You know?
It's kind of weird sitting on this side.
Yeah,
of
exactly.
the
I was gonna ask you.
It's really weird, because right now I just want to ask you.
Well, you know what? Let's sit back. Why don't you all? Let's do it again. So, Dwayne and I will
Really
just
good.
sit back like the audience.
No. So what are some of the things you talk about at these conferences?
Well, it's not a conference first and foremost, it's a workshop. And it's ideally just taking persons through their formative years, like where their hurt would have started, because oftentimes we carry pain around and most of us don't even realize that that's what we're functioning from. So we just kind of address their fears, their limiting thought beliefs, and just allow them to just love on each other and love on themselves and just grow.
That's
it.
brilliant. That's brilliant.
Yeah.
As you did that just now, I thought to myself, what's the hardest show, if you can remember, that you guys have?
Of course, I do.
remember?
I do. We're doing a show and we're supposed to be, it was, I can't even remember, it was for like parent day. I don't remember what it was. The fact is, we got a challenge and Adrian was supposed to be daddy and he was supposed to be changing the baby nappy.
Lord, that
and he was
difficult.
supposed to be doing all of these things, ironing, and Adrian dropped the baby.
Oh God.
You hear the baby head go,
I
cloof.
remember that.
It was like a doll. It
was a doll.
I
It was a
was
doll.
on the floor. And I couldn't get composed. I was like, oh my God, Adrian is, yes. And they gave him all these things to do. And it was
And
insane.
in other words, I was supposed to be a mother.
Yeah.
Doing the ironing, the washing.
Yeah, doing what we
That's
do.
what fathers do.
Yeah, but no,
No.
They change.
he had to multitask. That's what they
right?
wanted him to
Oh,
do,
they can't do
multitask
that?
like us, and it was
Impossible.
chaos.
Oh my gosh, that's
Yeah.
You can't expect us to
And the man dropped the baby.
You can't expect us to think and iron.
Doing
and,
and telephone.
There was a telephone
and
conversation. He
at
had
the
an
same
interview
time.
that he was doing. He was ironing, and the
I
baby
only
was
have
crying.
two hands.
They don't know.
Two hands and one brain.
Yeah, but that was a
very-
hard show. But I
was
think
very hard.
they just go. I just go through. I'm thinking, was it my first show? Like definitely one of the first show.
Yeah.
Very first show.
Yeah.
We were outside, right, and the cameras just came on, and I'm supposed to start
Froze.
talking.
Oh my God, yes. Yes. Yeah.
I'm used to reading.
You're
I'm used to reading from a script.
exactly.
And now I'm just supposed to talk to the camera.
improvise.
What do I say to it? It's just a thing there, you know?
remember that.
Who am I
I
talking
remember
to?
that. I remember
And
that.
with time, I developed, the camera is just
Yeah.
an object, you know? I knew that from sports, but it was a totally different thing. And it took me a while to get there. I remember the meetings afterwards, they would be crazy.
Like,
because
if you
I'm
do
like,
that again, you're fired.
yeah,
No,
man.
not at all. But the beauty about Adrian was, I think we both kind of hid behind each other. Persons would have expected that because I had so much experience in media at that point, that I would have been the dominant one. No, we were hiding behind each other. It's like, Adrian, you sure you don't want to take this one? Like, go ahead.
Yeah.
Just until we warmed up. And,
It's a
it was
team
just
effort.
beautiful.
It's a team effort, and it's so good seeing you. I know that the producer has a game for us to play.
Yeah, you know it goes. You know it
And
goes.
you know the game
You know how it
thing.
goes.
I have no idea what the rules are.
Right.
Well, in the true spirit of Weekend Smile and World Chocolate Day,
No,
we're
we're
going
on
to
the other
challenge
side.
Kiki and Adrian.
Chocolate Day. That's
Chocolate
Elevator.
that's like my name. So it's my day.
So we have a chalk candy elevator challenge.
Yeah.
So we're going to
Candy
throw to a
elevator
video to
challenge.
see how it's done.
Okay. Okay. Let's see.
So, you're gonna put the candies on the pencils, and then you're gonna pull the strings at the same time to make it like a candy elevator. And it's gonna go up until you reach your mouth. Okay, and then you're gonna try to eat them.
All right, so you saw that. We'll see which Weekend Smile duo does it best.
All right.
Okay, we got this.
So how's it go?
We got this.
So we got
Really?
this.
No, I'm very new to
I'm
Weekend
done.
Smile. So Sakina, I'm doing this for you, my girl.
All right, so I'm supposed to
Yeah, put that.
Ah, yeah,
Adrian, you're supposed to help her, you know, teamwork.
you put it over my
Oh, so
ears.
you're
This
doing
on
it?
my ear.
I think my ears are bigger.
Is that the reason?
Mine bigger, but I decided not to do it.
Is that the rationale?
Just set me up now. You know.
All right, so we got this. All
No, just hold. Catch it from.
right, ready? So
Okay.
elevator, so I guess it's nice and easy.
Alright, so hold it.
All right.
Yeah.
You sure you don't
go
need
over.
position?
No, your hands are
Wait, what
steady.
kind of position you tell me if you do it?
Also, I'm going to. I'm
You're
the
gonna pull?
elevator.
That's too close.
No, you're gonna
Oh.
pull. You're
Coming
gonna
off
pull.
of my ears. You should, your ear bigger.
So you're gonna pull.
True. I'm gonna do
So
it.
I gotta put these on.
Wait. Do I pull or does
Kiki
she
pulls.
pull?
I pull.
Kiki pulls.
Oh, Kiki pulls.
So you have to pull
So I
Empress.
pull.
I can't
All right.
get this.
We're gonna put them on them. All right.
Okay.
Alright.
You put 3 on it.
Come to
No,
this.
let's
Put as many as possible.
Why? Is
Alright, so
that
you put
the
the
aim
thing
of the
on
game?
it?
No, I think it
You just like-
increases the
Where's
likelihood.
Benji moving me.
Oh, the probabilities of you getting it.
Here.
All right, you ready? Move
Ready?
your hands out of the way,
Still it?
please.
I got
Move your
it.
hands out of the way.
Yeah, hold the string first.
I can't. Okay, there you go.
Sorry.
It's still,
Yeah.
it's still ready.
Ready? Are we ready?
No, wait.
No, no, can't go ahead. Yeah.
Okay.
It's like a beat.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm supposed to eat it, right?
Yeah.
Oh, Jaja.
But yours too low.
How many you have
Don't
to
let
put?
me
Just
come
one?
to you. You got it?
Hey!
God, extra.
Go down again.
Oh, okay.
And she's supposed to reload?
I'm supposed to reload?
Oh, okay.
How does this work?
Put there.
How low does she? Oh no! All the way down. Oh, he says this is my chest.
All right, so
You know what?
put it back
Now
around the ear.
there's a
Put
difference.
Right,
it
right,
back around the ear.
like six.
No.
No, we're reloading. We're reloading.
No, we got like
We're
six.
done doing.
Oh, we were reloading.
Oh, you're
Yeah, we
here.
got
You're
six.
done, Lord.
Oh, we oh, okay, fine.
No,
we
let's
got
go.
like 6.
Let's go until the bowl is empty.
You just no more chocolates.
And
No more chocolates.
and they should go to your. No.
Did you just cheat? Did you just cheat? I'm finished.
We don't cheat.
I'm finished.
And-
Adrian, did you just cheat?
Adrian,
Adrian, did you just
Listen,
cheat?
more to come.
Done.
Kiki's a good Christian girl in the Adrian. Since you've been away, she called good Christian. You cannot come back and
I was
cheat.
always.
I know, but
Even when he was here.
there you go. More to come. No cheating. We won, yeah.